All right, let's dive right in. We're about to pull back the curtain on a pretty incredible secret to health and longevity, and it comes straight from the wisdom of some of Japan's most legendary scientists. So, what if I told you that deep inside your own cells, right now, you've got the power for some serious self-repair? I know it sounds a little like science fiction, but stick with me because this is very, very real. Yeah, this is not some passing wellness trend. We are talking about a fundamental biological process here, a discovery so important it actually won a Nobel Prize. It's called autophagy, and you can think of it as a cornerstone of Japanese longevity wisdom. Okay, so what in the world is this mysterious process? Let's get into the science of it, because it's basically your body's own internal cleaning crew. Autophagy literally means self-eating. Now, that sounds kind of weird, I get it, but the best way to picture it is cellular housekeeping. At a microscopic level, your cells are actually creating these little membranes that go around hunting for old, junky, broken down proteins and cell parts. They scoop up all this waste, drag it over to the cell's recycling plant called the lysosome, and break it all down. And the cool part? That waste gets turned into raw materials that your body can use for energy or to build shiny new cell parts. It is your body's ultimate built-in detox. And the person who really brought this incredible process into the spotlight was the brilliant Japanese scientist, Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi. I mean, his work was so groundbreaking, it earned him the Nobel Prize and totally changed how we think about cellular health. And listen to this is from the man himself. Without autophagy, our cells cannot survive. So you see, this isn't just some nice-to-have process. It's absolutely critical for our survival. So why should you care about all this? Well, because turning on autophagy is connected to some of the biggest health benefits you can possibly imagine. We're talking about helping you manage your weight, lowering the risk of major diseases like cancer, protecting your brain as you age, and seriously boosting your immune system. It's what keeps your body tough and resilient. So the science is super clear. But the big question is, how do we actually flip the switch and turn this amazing system on? Let's break it down into 3 simple keys, all inspired by the wisdom of Japan's top experts. The first key, and honestly this is the most powerful one, is all about timing. See, it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat. And the single most effective way to kickstart autophagy is through intermittent fasting. Think of it like this. Your body has 2 modes. When you're constantly eating, you're in fueling mode. All your body's energy is going towards digestion and storing that energy. But when you give your body a break from food, it flips over into cleaning mode. And that's when the real magic happens. Autophagy gets turned on, and that deep cellular repair work begins. And listen, this doesn't have to be complicated. A simple 16-8 schedule is incredibly powerful. It lines up perfectly with what Dr. Hiromi Shinya calls the little fast. Just giving your digestive system a solid 16-hour break every single day to rest, reset, and repair. And the science on this is solid. Research from experts like Dr. Takeyuki Teruya says that fasting does way more than just trigger autophagy. It literally rejuvenates your metabolism, it fires up your body's own antioxidant production, and it helps slow down parts of the aging process. It's pretty amazing stuff. All right, on to our second key. We've talked about when to eat, but what about how much? This is where the wisdom of quantity comes into play. So this principle comes from Okinawa, which is one of the world's famous blue zones, places with a crazy number of healthy people living past 100. The concept is called Hara Hachi Bu, and it's beautifully simple. Just stop eating when you're about 80% full. Now, this isn't about starving yourself, not at all. It's more of a gentle calorie restriction. It sends a signal to your body to switch from a state of grow, grow, grow to a state of maintain and repair. You're basically reducing the workload on your cells, which lowers stress and frees up all this energy for that essential housekeeping. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who worked right up until he was 105, said this was a huge reason for his vitality. And that brings us to our third and final key, quality. We know when and how much to eat, but what we eat is just as crucial. The food you eat provides the actual building blocks for your brand new, healthy cells after the cleanup is done. So on one side, you have the foods that help this whole process along. We're talking whole, plant-based foods, fermented stuff like miso, green tea. These are championed by experts like Dr. Shinya and Dr. Ishihara. They contain compounds that actually help activate the cleanup. And then on the other side, you have the foods that get in the way, things that create more cellular junk. Processed foods, tons of sugar, chemical additives, they just increase inflammation and create the very mess that autophagy is trying to clear out. And we can get even more specific. Think about Dr. Ishihara's idea of a liquid breakfast with fresh juice, or Dr. Shinya's huge focus on an enzyme-rich, plant-based diet for your gut health. These traditional Japanese staples, seaweed, soybeans, brown rice, they aren't just nutritious, they give your body the high-quality materials it needs to rebuild stronger and healthier than before. Okay, we've covered the science and the 3 big keys. Now, let's put it all together into a simple daily action plan that you can literally start using today. Really, it all comes down to these 3 daily habits, and they work together beautifully. First, you master your timing with a daily fast. That creates the opportunity for autophagy to happen. Second, you manage your quantity with Hara Hachi Bu. That reduces the cellular workload. And third, you focus on quality by eating real whole foods. That provides the tools for repair and rebuilding. That's it. That's the whole system. The amazing thing is, your body is already programmed for all this. The system is there, it's just waiting for you to activate it. So the only real question left is, what's your first step going to be to turn it on?